welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to my cloth and paper subscription box series. So I have recently resubscribed to the cloth and paper subscription box, so I will be sharing this every single month. I have just been really looking into trying new inserts again, and so I decided to restart up my subscription. Plus, from what I've seen, their sub boxes have gotten they were already great, but like significantly better. And I felt like for a bit, I just wasn't happy with them. But I also feel like now I'm also in like I want to try different things mode. And so I actually kind of cleared out one of my planners. And so I'll go over all that when we unbox this and see what's inside. So I've seen 2 of the sneak peeks and really looking forward to seeing what else comes in this box. So let's open her up. And we have there is luxury and simplicity. We have what is inside, as well as, oh, that's cute, a little standing monthly calendar. That's actually really cute. I don't know if this is new. I haven't seen any sub box unboxings, to be honest with you guys. I recently just started watching their happy hours, so I really like this. It's definitely new since I've tried it. I think this will look really cute on my work desk. And then we have a few planner cards. This is probably part of the sub box. So we'll start with the little journaling cards. So we have the place for everything, and then the small pleasures. And then now let's get into the fun items. All right, so let's see the big item, because I know this was also a sneak peek. So this is the weekly time block notebook. And y'all, this is huge. So this is 9.25 inches by 10.5 inches. I love the feeling of the cover. You have cloth and paper, Richmond, Virginia, weekly time block notebook up top. I actually really like this oak coil. It doesn't feel like a typical oak coil, but I also like how it's black. And okay, this entire thing slides off. I'm really excited for this. I'm probably going to use this for work and keep it on my work desk. When I saw this, this is what made me subscribe to, or resubscribe, because I was like, oh my god, they're putting like really great things in these sub boxes now. So we have this beautiful hourly time block. So it's on this like off-white sheet. You have a weekly schedule in the corner, a little checkbox, 2 blank sections, and then it goes from Monday through Sunday, and it goes from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. I actually might keep this on my main desk and just maybe put something up and have it up on display so I can just see an overview of my hourly, because thinking about it now, I actually removed the hourly part from my planner. So this will actually be a pretty nice addition. And then there are stickers that came in this little bag, so we'll open that up in a second. But I really like this. I think this is really cute. And I'm very excited to try it out. And you can definitely prop it up, and it's single-sided, so you can also probably take notes on the back if you would like, or you can rip it out week over week. But we have that, and let's open up the remaining items. So here are the time block stickers that it comes with. So you have Lagoon, which I really like this color. So you get 16 stickers. They are transparent, and then this is the style. And so you can definitely block out different meetings, any timed events, and I think I'll probably use these for important meetings, these for when I study, and kind of go from there. I'll probably pick up a few more too to color code, but you can get different sets in color code, which will be nice, and that will be a great visual for your week. There is also this priorities notepad. So you have priorities, date, high, low. I actually really like this one for my planner. I think I'm definitely going to put this one on my work desk and use it for work. I think this will be perfect for whenever things pop up throughout the day. I can write if it's a high priority and if I need to get it done, or low. And typically when it's low, I'll save it for the next day or towards the end of the day to work on it. It doesn't look like it would fit in a planner pocket, but let's try it. Yeah, so it doesn't fit, but if you wanted to keep this in your planner, you could trim it down. So where the pocket is, just cut off like a square. Make sure to leave room up here so that way the notepad stays in there, but you could cut it off and then you can tuck it into your planner and keep it in your planner if you want to. If I had a work agenda, I would do that with that notepad. All right, so we have that. And then after that, we have 2 new dashboards. So this is called the Clear Strategy Dashboard Duo. So it says when your vision is clear, strategy is easy. I'm personally not a fan of the font, so I will probably destash this on the Cloth and Paper Facebook group. I'll have it linked below. I always get asked that in these videos. So I'll probably destash these. I like specific fonts. It's from working in marketing for several years. Like, I just have my preferences. And so I'm just not a fan of these fonts. So I'll destash these. And then we have the mind mapping insert. So let's open this one up. I think I've seen these before, or the mind mapping notepad that came in a sub box. So you have mind map. It is dot grid with a circle in the middle. And then on the back, it's summary and research. I actually might try these out and keep them and put them in my agenda, just because I've primarily been using my medium ring agenda as a notebook lately. I just wanted to start fresh, and that's why I mentioned that for the sub box I decided to restart to kind of get different things in here. And I have an order coming from Cloth and Paper as well, but I really like this, and I really think that it'll be great for what I plan to do, because really I'm just jotting out different ideas in here, and so this will actually probably be good to add to the planner. So we'll add that in there. I'm waiting for some new tab dividers to come in from Cloth and Paper for this planner, and then I'll add that and set it up with you guys. And then, is this the last item? Yes, last item is the diagonal pocket folder set, which is very interesting. So the description card says, maintain your planner clean and organized with the diagonal pocket folder set. The set includes 6 pocket folders, giving the versatility to be used as a money envelope system to store stickers, loose papers, and more. So that's actually pretty nice. These look really sturdy. Yeah, so these are definitely really sturdy. Let me zoom out. Sorry guys, I forgot to zoom back out. So like I said, it has 6. This is great for money envelope systems. So if you put your cash in, like a cash system, I'll probably use like 1 or 2 in here just to store items. And if I ever decide to turn this back into a like budget planner, like a full budget planner with a cash system, I would definitely use these. But let me just put one in for you guys to see. These inserts are a little bit wider. I got these at Hobby Lobby, so please keep that in mind. Let me actually just show y'all what they look like inside with the new inserts. So these are normal personal sized inserts. And so as y'all can see, they are the same size. So just disregard these. But these are really nice. These are very durable. I really think these are better than like a paper version, and I love how clear they are. So I'm definitely going to keep maybe like 1 in the front and then 1 in the back for stickers. I think that'll be nice. So yeah, and again, I'm working on this setup, so I'll go over everything with you guys in a different video. But yeah, other than that, that is everything that came in the Cloth and Paper February subscription box, and that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.